Okay, good morning, kids. Today we'll be discussing about the minimum separation between the two objects which are moving. That idea again will going to implement in the projectile motion. If the two stones, if they are projected, then what is the minimum separation between them? Then how the motion of one projectile will appear for the other projectile. That will become like relative projectile motion. So these are the things which we are going to analyze in today's class. So I'll start with a simple example. There is an object, body, anything you can take that one. So there's an object. It is having a velocity VA. And there's another object having velocity VB. Let the t equals 0, the separation between them, let it be equal to d. So what is the question like? Find the minimum separation between them. So what actually happens here is what you have to analyze first. Don't go for any formula that is given in book. First, you have to understand the situation. So t equals 0, what is the separation between them? D. And VA and VB are uniform velocities. Two objects. I'll write the condition. Two objects move with a constant speed as shown at t equals 0. And the separation between them is D. Find the minimum separation between them and time at which it occurs. You should not take any two objects A and B, that one. So they are moving with a velocity. So that the direction is fixed there. B will move along y-axis, A will move along positive x-axis. Okay, I'll suggest you can take one example, like VA equal to, let's take one example. Just be online. I'll change the internet connections. Just be there. Within 2 minutes, I'll come back. I'll change the connection. Okay, now try to work out. Can you hear me clearly?
Sir.
Voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, well.
Clear, sir.
Okay, now how say here I'll suggest you like let's do some trial and error. So let's do one thing. Let's assume that here only let me assume that one. So let this be equal to 3 meters per second. Let this be equal to 2 meters per second, and the distance d is equal to 10 meters. Let's assume some value so that it will be easy for us. So now after 1 second, t equals 0, it is here, no? After 1 second, this is A0, B0, I'll write it. I'll just give the numbers. A0, B0. A1 will be a B1. Next, A2, B2. This will be A3. Rough diagram, not up to the scale. A4, B4, A5, B5. Finally, A6, B6. Just some time intervals, we assumed it.
Sir,
Your
voice is cracking, sir.
voice is cracking. Huh?
No, sir, it is clear.
No, sir, it's clear only.
Just check your side. Okay, there will no. Now okay.
Sir, instead of B3, have
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, B1, B2. Okay, B3 there. I'll do correction here. Fine. So you do one thing, just join them with the lines. This is A1. This is A2. This is A3. This is A4. Let this be A5. Look at the.
Sir, it would take only 5 seconds to reach B0, sir.
I can make time interval anything. No, I didn't say time interval 1 second. I can adjust time interval. I
Okay,
didn't
sir.
say. Huh? Okay, you measure the distance. You measure the length A0 B0. A0 B0 is 10 meter. No, you measure the length A1 B1, A2 B2, A3 B3, A4 A5. So definitely A5 B5 will be greater than A4 B4. So what's happening to the length? I actually see this is what actually students are missing nowadays. Question immediately they want some formula, substitute, get answer, and go for another question. I'm telling you very frankly that this is what happening. Even the students who are getting all India first rank also not learnt anything. Question answer is what they know. They have gathered good questions, and for them they know answer. Then what will happen? Where the problem arises now? Present China-India situation. You see, China occupied 3 kilometer, entered into India. You know that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Why we can't do anything?
Galwan.
Why we can't do anything? The simplest reason is China is more powerful than India in terms of weapons. If war happens, no possibility of the strength. If you put China 100, no, India is around 65%. They're having edge over us. Like how India is having edge over Pakistan, no, China is having edge over us. So we can't just talk to them with eye to eye. We are requesting them. Any reason for that? The weapons, they are more powerful than what we have. Where is the problem? Yes, the Chinese universities in the 1980s, they have changed their methodology, education system. They went for the creativity in education system. They came and really what happened, they're in better position now. In India, still the same old tradition. The students are running behind what, like the just only rank rather than learning any subject. It's happening. Very frank, even the All India first rank is not worth nowadays. He was supposed to be something very high, brilliant student. All India first rank also is nowhere in the picture. Past some 18 years, I'm seeing no. All India fourth rank we got, eighth rank we got. No, they are not that good caliber. What we do expect. Now, not good thinkers. That one. So for that research ability, analyzing practically, then coming, then doing that mathematical, you know, these things are missing, long back gone. Question answer, question answer, question answer. Some method teacher will give. Later on, anything comes, they do it. Anything new again, they struggle a lot. So where do this impact will be? This type of learning, where do it have impact? It will have impact on nations. See, now we don't have any good scientists who can produce good weapons. Finish sure. Look at the situation with China. We are requesting, no, you see. We are requesting them. They're telling, in fact, they're telling you only came inside. So without scientific knowledge, a nation cannot be powerful. Scientific knowledge will come only by students' interest in science, learning things scientifically. What is the doubt here? The distance A1, B1, A1 will move vertically, B will move horizontally. That's all over, no? And that line joining, there, the separation between them. Make observation. See, I suggest you like you are not learning just for your future. You are learning for the future of nation. You have good thinking knowledge, scientific analysis. Then what happens? Something if you make some any breakthrough that will be useful for nation, okay, we're fine. Otherwise, what happen? One day somebody, China may occupy India if this continues. Then definitely I can say 65%, only 1%, but maximum they're telling like it is around 55%. So we are far hedge. So air flight, so aeroplanes itself, what happened? We are requesting from the France. Now if the war happens, no, even with Pakistan, we are unable to manage. We don't have sufficient aeroplanes. So what happened? We had a HAL, we have aerospace industry. So many are there. I don't know people what they do there. You just check in Google, no? What is the production? 2 aircraft per annum. Indian HAL can manufacture that much. 2 aircraft, and check the employees, no? 15,000 employees. Very pathetic, this one. So really very, very pathetic. So with every passing year, it becoming still more pathetic. That much I can say, that one. So students not having the patience to learn, students not having patience to, they're more bothered with rank. I'm telling this one, you get a rank 400, actually 400 to All India 1 to 400. It doesn't matter for you. You get, because you're going to get computer science, 400 to 800. You are going to get electrical. It doesn't matter. 800 to 1200. You get mechanical in this one. So anything less than 2000, you are safe side, no? So I think the rank one, you have to put effort, but rank is not everything. There the problem arises. Even the parent also, they do call me. So like I used to get 4th rank in the position. Now he's in 8th position. What's wrong if you just come down a little bit? The parents also admit. So it's a wrong way of total the things which are going on. The huge impact is what you can see now. Really, I felt very bad that so many universities are there, so many colleges are there, so many defense labs are there, and the population of India is equal to population of Canada is equal to population of Indian scientists, and we are requesting them for the nuclear technology. The root cause is something going wrong. Totally the system, everything is going on wrong direction. So you have, the reason for that, because we are not producing the thinking brains. That much I can say. We are producing rankers, but we are not producing the thinking brains. 90% of students will never draw this diagram. If you just open solved example is there, they're happy with the method and they'll get answer, they'll proceed. They don't want to learn. So every problem, learning is involved. That learning is, when you take it out, no, it's of no use. You may get All India first rank, but you are a stupid guy, according to me. Oh, that one. So this is what happens. Relative motion is such a subject where you have to analyze, you have to fight with the topic, you have to analyze with the problem in different frames, how it will be. Tomorrow we'll see. I'll bring some best numericals. Let's see how you manage them. Okay, this is what. So somewhere the distance between the A and B is minimum. That minimum has to be calculated. Sir, I'll take scale, geometric scale, I'll take, then protractor, then I'll measure. I think it would definitely to take half an hour or 1 hour. And you can't say exactly that is minimum. You have to do a lot of trial and error. So you're going to take a scale. With the help of that, you're going to measure A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3. Here I took the time interval, maybe 1.2 seconds. Then you have to make this into the time intervals 0.1 second. For every 0.1 second, calculate the position of A and B. Then draw a line joining them. Still what happen, you may not sure. Then you make time interval 0.01. So like that, no, like many trial and errors. So you have to do it. So it may take 1 day for you. So how to overcome this? Yes, we'll go for a method. Sir, what is use of this? Actually, you go for port, no? C port. So there, that one. Then what happen? The ships will be there. No, what is the size of ships? Ships will be like this. No, so the width will be even some ships of almost around 300 meters. The width. Another ship will come. So when they're passing through any passage, I think it's a lot of problem. No, so some ship will be moving. So here, for them not to collide, the minimum distance between them has to be maintained. So there, what happen here? Will be using that one. So when you go for the any seaport there this particular idea of this minimum distance will come into picture. And even in the aircraft also, when they go for battalion, 5-6 aircraft, when they go for the any war, no, so minimum separation they have to maintain when they're launching missiles here. So different planes will be moving in a different direction. So there, this idea of this is needed. Otherwise, practically outside, no use. Outside is of strictly no use, that one. Fine. So it's having huge applications in like at seaport, that one, and also the fighter aircrafts. When battalion goes, no, minimum separation between the planes has to be maintained. Okay, now what is the method? What we do? I'll go for the alternative like this. I'll describe the motion of B with respect to A. So this will be VBA, velocity of B with respect to A. See, nothing. The change should not come in the nation. Changes in nation will come through students only. You are the only one who can bring changes, and not the politicians. Please do remember. We need scientific knowledge. Without good scientific knowledge, without good thinkers, nation cannot progress. And it's your duty. You got an opportunity. There's a teacher is there who is trying to impart scientific education. You are having an environment to acquire scientific knowledge, and you can become good thinker. That will help you, the nation, a lot. You have got a best opportunity. See, like Panipuri shop working in Panipuri shop. Do we have any? Can you do anything for nation? Yes, you can sell only quality Panipuri. That's all, and you can pay some tax. You can provide employment. But scientific knowledge, no, through scientific knowledge, you can do a lot for nation. So for that, what happen? You must have the skills, no? Just emotions will not work out. Now you see Modi, Prime Minister Modi, he's an emotional person. It is like we will not spare Chinese people. He's a helpless person. He's a helpless person. The same China, can it attack Russia? Can it attack Japan? He's a helpless person. They just emotionally say like we will not spare them. We will take account of our sacrifice. If you had enough good weapons, no, we would have driven them away. Do think on this. It's like I felt a lot of insulted pain. Like 40 hours, 40 Indians died, our soldiers died, and also what happened? We got insulted. Such a big nation, and we are helpless. So I think any person will feel. So really, I felt very bad yesterday. 4 o'clock. I don't watch much news. Yesterday, I got information, then I watched it. No, really felt very bad. Like, what's going on? Like, do take such incidents as inspiration. See, why we have to learn. These incidents are inspiration for us. So hope you are now 16. No, maybe after 10 years you'll be in a better position and serving India. At least after 10 years, definitely I can say that as China, Russia, America, any Europe should not look at India. We need weapons. I'm telling you this one. Power respects power. You may not like many of them. We are like a peaceful nation, but if you don't have power, no, nobody will respect you. Power respects power. If you have weapons in your hand, you are very strong. No, nobody will dare to look at you. If you are weak, then people will misuse it. So India has to be strong. There's no other way. Such a big nation, 140 crores. Okay, let's come back to our physics. Please do read in Google, no, if you get a time, no. So what is the reason, what is the capacity of Indian, Chinese weapons, everything. If war happens, what will happen, who is having a hedge, What are all things? In terms of army, we are equal. In terms of air force, we are very poor. Air force need a lot of technology. There we are lagging. Okay, I'll come here now. VBA. So let the I'll make it a situation like. I'll solve this problem in a very simple way. There's a distance of separation. There's a person A. I will make VBA. VBA, what direction will come? So let's analyze the vector diagram. VBA. VA bar is like this. VB is like this, no? Minus VA bar. So VBA bar, VB minus VA bar. So if you take the vector diagram, this will be VB, this will be minus VA. The resultant vector will come somewhere here. Okay, now when B looks at A, how you feel? B, when he looks at the ground, how do you feel? Is moving along XY axis. So in along Y axis. So I'll give for you. When B looks at the ground, he feels he's moving along Y axis. When A looks at the ground, he feels he's moving along. When B looks at A, how he feels he's moving? He feels he's moving somewhere in this direction. I will indicate that. I'll shift this. So VBA direction, here it will come like this. Now what is this? Path of B with respect to A. VBA, you write it. This is like a, so what I should give name? I should give name this as path of then what will happen to person B when he starts moving like this, or the object starts moving like this, the A will appear at it, but practically what happens, the A will be moving. So now I'll go for the distance here. So I'll drop a perpendicular. Call this is M. This is what the minimum distance. So how you can say minimum? I think you know enough geometry. So as a B further starts moving, as B further starts moving, I'll draw one more line. Now look at this. As B, when B is here, tell me like what is the distance? It will be greater than this S minimum. When B is here, what is the distance? It will be greater than that. I'll draw some reference lines, then I'll erase it. You look at these lines. The blue color line's length is greater than that of yellow color. Among all this, you draw several lines. What's wrong in that? You draw several lines. You see, when this among all this, AM is what the shortest length, no? That AM is what shortest length. So therefore, this is S minimum. This has to be determined. So already we know distance D. Somehow if you can get this theta, my problem will be solved. How to bring the theta? The theta, can I bring it here? The theta, can I bring it here? Do make observation. This theta, can I bring it here? Because what is this VB theta with vertical? So this is with vertical. So tan theta, or let's go for the minimum distance. So sine theta. I'll write everything at one place. Huh? You'll get confused. VBA. From the vector diagram, we brought it. Okay, let's come for this. Sine theta is equal to sine theta. So what is sine theta from the from here? Come for this vector triangle. VA by VBA. VA by VBA. What is VBA? Anybody? What is VBA? We don't know VBA, no? How to get VBA? VBA is root of VA square plus VB square. Okay, I'll substitute this. The S minimum will be finish or no? So we directly brought a formula. That has minimum separation between them. We brought a formula. Okay, similarly the time at which the separation becomes minimum. This is t equal to 0, the person B is here. And at this particular time, the B will be a no. Okay, now this time has to be determined. For that, can we go for, what is VBA? Is it a constant or variable? VBA will be constant, no? VA and VB are constant, VBA constant. So what type of motion the VBA will describe along BM, uniform velocity motion. So what is the formula for that? VBA is equal to SM by T. This T minimum, this T has to be determined. So for that, we don't know, oh sorry, BM. We don't know BM, how to calculate BM. Cos theta. So any formula can you write here? Cos theta is equal to BM by D. So this will become D cos theta. I'll scroll down. Somebody please mute it. So BM equal to, I'll substitute the value of BM. BM by, this is VBA value how much? Let me keep as it is. So what is cos theta? Again from vector triangle, what is cos theta? What is cos theta? VB by VA. Sin theta is, substitute this, VBA. I'll further slide up. Cos theta, you can write it as VB by this is the minimum time. The time at which the separation will be minimum. I think this is a basic problem. Huh? This is enough to solve most of the questions you can manage. I'll show complete thing in one window, everything. Okay, see now what all we discussed. No, it is like this.
Sir,
Yeah.
VBA value is not always root over of VA square plus VB square, right?
What do you mean by always? What do you mean by always?
Here, because the velocities are perpendicular to each other, we got them to be like this.
Okay, in this problem, I did like this. It's not like something, sir, thank you very much formula, I can solve any problem now. There's a one, in this situation, the formula is ended up like this, okay?
Okay, sir.
I'm not saying, okay, this particular, okay, there's a formula, okay, now go and solve any problem. I'm telling there's a method. This method will help you to solve most of the problem, not this formula. Got it now? So you might have made observation. There are two things are there. What is that? Triangle. There are triangles. There are two triangles are there. What is that? Velocity triangle. Let me draw them so that will be very easy for you. So in every numerical weapon, you have to search these triangles only. The total problem just revolves around this drawing the velocity triangles. Fine. Then displacement triangle. So what is this? This is a velocity triangle. I'll give you name so that be easy for you. Velocity triangle. This is the displacement triangle. So our entire numerical is all about obtaining this triangle. Once you know this triangle, rest of everything we can manage. Video, let it be there, no? Let it be there. Pavan Teja, many need video. If any problem comes, okay, I'll switch off. Okay, do make observation. I'll give the next many conditions.